Let's start with the application layer protocols. In this lecture, we are going to learn the file transfer protocol. The file transfer protocol, that is the FTP, is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and a server on a computer network. If requirement is to send a file from one to another machine, that is a computer, just follow a few set of instructions to do that. And that set of instructions is abide by FTP protocols, that is the rules to be followed. If you don't have these rules, you have to take care of many aspects of internet security and data inconsistency by yourself for your requirement. FTP is a protocol based on the TCP dedicated to transfer files. FTP can be used between different operating systems and in most cases requires authentication, that is username and password. Sometimes you can use anonymous FTP to download files. Using anonymous authentication, normally you can only download files. You cannot upload. In modern systems, it is considered insecure due to lack of encryption by default. Now, via internet, most of the times a better option in terms of security is SFTP. It is based on SSH connection. FTP uses the TCP port 21 for command transmission and the transfer of data using a dedicated connection. This connection to transfer data can be passive or active. Before the data connection can be established to send actual files, the control connection must be established. A specific process is followed to set up this connection and thereby create the permanent FTP session between devices that can be used for transferring of files. The control connection. The control connection uses very simple rules for communication. Through control connection, we can transfer a line of command or line of response at a time. The control connection is made between the control processes. The control connection remains connected during the entire interactive FTP session. Next, the data connection. The data connection uses very complex rules as data types may vary. The data connection is made between data transfer processes. The data connection opens when a command comes for transferring the files and closes when the file is transferred. Let us have a quick recap of what we learned in this section. FTP is ideal for sending large files. It is reliable, fast, and doesn't have the size limits that can prevent large files from being sent via email. With the addition of security features and modern web-based file management, FTP is still a widely used method for transferring data. In the next lecture, we will move forward to HTTP and HTTPS.